Hi everybody, it's Tina here from Hummingbird Tales. It's been quite a while, but today I'm here to share with you a box of goodies. Now I've received this from Your Creative Studio, and I think it's a themed box on baking and cooking. I'm not quite sure, but anyway, so let's get inside and have a look. And all I've done is open the box, so this is what you will see. I will link Your Creative Studio below because these boxes are not that expensive and you get so many goodies in them. So you get a thank you card. How cute is that? A little one baking a pie. And as you can see, I haven't opened any of it. I want to try and do this without ripping. Well, failed miserably. But it's such nice paper. And wow, look at all of this. Oh, all these goodies. So if I move this to the side, then I can take out one thing at a time. Let's try and roll that back on itself, just so I can get in here. Right, so here we've got Time Machine, and we've got a little book of, like little vintage, sorry, you can't see, little vintage pictures and things. Let's see if I can put the light, that's better. And these are all like little cards. Oh, that's Little Red Riding Hood. So there's that. And here, there's a little pretzel on there, on these little cards. I'm not sure if these are cards or stickers. Oh, I think they might be. They might be stickers, I'm not entirely sure, but they're little baking, little, that looks like a cinnamon bun. Bread rolls. All kinds of, oh yeah, this is all bread, look. There's a croissant. And a bigger croissant. So that is what you get in that dear little box there. I just love the way that she packages her stuff up. I mean, look at these. And I really don't want to wreck that envelope. So I am going to try really hard to peel that back. There we go. And in this one, we've got a stamp. And it's like a silver platter dish with, you know, a hand holding it up. Oh, what a lovely mounted stamp that is. Fabulous. So I suppose if you wanted to do a journal with like a bakery themed or cooking, this little kit here from Your Creative Studio would be absolutely ideal. What's in here? Oh, we've got washi. That's a lovely colour. Like a check or gingham, I should say. And we have another packet. And in this one, oh, another stamp. Oh, no, look, cherry on top of the cake. Do you know, cherries are my favourite fruit, and I absolutely love cake, cherry cake. Oh, that's so cute. I mean, you could use this for a birthday card or anything, really. That is so, so cute. And then here, we've got a little box here which says vintage, and there's lots of different foods and drinks. Look at that Coca-Cola. And let's look inside. Oh, I do believe these are stickers. So we've got like a fruit flan. There's cupcakes and muffins. Pie. What's this one? Some sort of cheesy cakey thing. Yeah, I've got it the right way up. Excuse me. Oh, look at that. Fruit platter. So these are all really, really fun. I mean, you could decorate your own like cookery book, couldn't you, with things like this? Because I write all my recipes down in one of my favourite books. It's a really nice like exercise book, and it's wire bound. Excuse me. And yeah, you could put these in there if you wanted to, but they would be ideal if you did a journal, little bakery journal. Look at that one. Oh, There's a hamburger there. And we carry on. Coca-Cola. That's a pavlova-y type thing, I think. Or it could be. No. It might be a summer pudding. Oh, look at these. Oh, look. I got a cat that looks like that. One of many cats. Oh, that's quite an iconic. I've seen that image a lot. And you've got some bigger. These are like, oh, what are they called? Vellum-y things. That's a vellum there. Now, yeah, these are just paper. Ice cream. So there's all of those in there. And then here, I won't take this out. I believe it's tissue paper. And if you can see, it's got bread, a baker's hat, some wheat, a chopping board there. And there's a few sheets of that in there. Then we've got, let me just have a, yeah, these are stickers, rolling pins. And she's got her emblem, Your Creative Studio there. And here, now what's this? Oh, these are rub-on transfers. Do you know, I used to love these when I was a child. We used to get like, and we're going back in the 70s now, but it'd be like a little fold-out pamphlet with like a scenery on it. It could be, I don't know, the Wild West or something. And you'd get a sheet of these rub-ons, and then you would rub with a pencil on top, and they would rub on everywhere. And oh, I absolutely loved them. Absolutely loved them. So oh look, and then you've got a little rubbing tool here, so you don't even need to use a pencil like the good old days. Let's have a look. They might all be the same. They could be different. Oh, they are different. Now look at those. Aren't they fun? Oh, really fun. Oh, it's lovely. Now there's still quite a bit in here, you know. So here we have got stickers and bits and pieces. Let's get in and have a look. Yeah, so we've got some of the vellum-y type stickers there. Then there's like a vellum-y stamp. And these. And then you've got some postage type of things. And that's like a textured paper. So all lots of different bits and pieces that you can, I mean, you could use this for this kit, or, you know, you could take it out separately. Labels. Again, that's textured. And I think I left in here a couple more of the vellum-y sort of stickers. So that's them. Don't know why Alexa's coming on. I'll ignore her. Right. And then here, oh, peel the individual. Oh, so we got stamps. Look at those. So you've got little chefs, and then there's a jar of food, and then you've got kitchen utensils as well. And they are in like a Ziploc case. And if I just take them out to show you, and they are like rubber backed as well. So they're quite nice stamps, aren't they? And then we're down to the last package, but by no least as gorgeous as the rest. So this is paper ephemera, and it's 24 sheets of stickers, vellum, art paper and pattern paper. So let's get in here and have a look at these. Oh, I do love vellum, must admit. This is quite a thin paper, so you've got all these different papers to make your scrapbook or your junk journal or tags or whatever with. There's quite a few of them. I like that one. That's pretty. Oh, aren't they nice? They could almost be autumnal, couldn't they? You could use those in the autumn sort of theme. Oh, bread. So there's quite a few of these. They're all so lovely. What I like about Your Creative Studio is she has different themed boxes, and you can also subscribe. You can buy the one-off box, so I think you can do it over a certain amount of months as well. These are the same, but these are vellum. So you've got enough here to make yourself a journal. Absolutely. Really lovely. So there we go. That's the unboxing of Your Creative Studio, and I believe it was a baking themed box that I was sent. Sorry about Alexa, everybody. I'm currently working on a journal. Now, if it's close to hand, yes it is, I'm going to give you a sneaky peek of the front cover. Because it's been a while since I've made any journals, and you know, for those of you that don't know, my dad passed away very suddenly last June, and then I lost my gran, and then my cousin 2 weeks after her, and then 2 weeks after her, her son. And in amongst that, I also lost 2 of my cats as well, and they were very young and they had to be put to sleep. So I had a very traumatic summer. And so I've allowed myself to have a long break from doing my YouTube videos. And as for journals, I think it's been almost a year or more since I've been making journals. So to get me back into it, I asked Andrea, because I'm part of a design team, that's for Artie Mays, if I could use her Spring Blossom kit, which she kindly gave to me to use. And I noticed that everybody's been making these beautiful tab bound books. So this is what I've done. Now, this is just a very quick flash because I am going to do a video on this. It's actually probably about 90% finished. So I just need to put some finishing touches on. So on the front here, we've got a tag, which I'm not going to pull out because it's not finished. And this is one of Andrea's female beauties. And all of this is stuff that I've cut out from her kit. Is it Spring Blossom? That's right. And the colours, you've got blues, greens, lemons, everything that's anything to do with spring. So I will do a proper flip through of this probably next week now, because we're coming up to the Easter bank holiday, and I will be back on a more regular basis. So thank you so much for joining me today, and take care everybody. Happy Easter, and bye for now. Bye.